Meaning of digestion.
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 Digestion. Digestion refers to the process in which food is broken down into smaller molecules that can be absorbed and utilized by the body. It begins in the mouth, where food is chewed and mixed with saliva, and continues through the esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Enzymes play a critical role in digestion, breaking down large molecules of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into smaller units. The end result of digestion is the production of nutrients that are used for energy, growth, and repair within the body.